Hi guys, my name is Lindsay from Paper Arts Planner Co. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the custom section in your 2026 planner to be able to add your custom pages to your digital planner. This tutorial is going to show you how to do it in the landscape planner, but you can do this in the portrait planner and the no quills planner exactly the same way. This tutorial is just how to do it in the landscape mode. So if you're ready, let's dive in and let me show you how to use those custom pages. So let's say that you wanted to use a reading tracker within your planner. Let's say you didn't want to use the reading tracker that is separate and included on my website, and instead you wanted to have pages like that within your planner. You could do that by making these custom sections a reading tracker. So what you would do is you can write right here on custom section. Let's say we want to make it custom section number 1. We're going to make this our reading or tracker. So I'm just going to write reading tracker here. If you have terrible handwriting like I do on an iPad, you can use your text box tool, but we're just going to quickly write here. And then I'm going to turn off my toolbar and then click on that link. So that's going to take me to my custom section 1 index. Now over here in my files, I have downloaded the bonus template for the reading tracker that's included on my website. And these are just images of pages. They're PNG pages that I can add right here to my custom section. So let's do custom section 1. I'm going to click on number 1 and it's going to take me to this blank page here. So in my Files app, I can click on this page, drag it right over, and click on it to enlarge it onto my planner. So this is Book of the Month. I want to add this one on both sides, so I have the whole entire year here. Add that right in so it's on top of those pages, and then I can go back to my custom section index and write that page number 1 is Book of the Month. So I'm going to write that right here. And then anytime I turn off my toolbar and I click on that link, it's going to take me to that Book of the Month page. That is how you can use your custom sections to add in these extra page templates as images and leave them here.